Sometimes, maybe always, our pet is not really interested in being a model. He might get up when he's supposed to sit still, look in another direction, or simply being not quite cooperative. Well, there are some tools and tricks that might help you. The first one is not really a trick, but more of an advice. Be patient. Really, be. The next one is pretty simple. Just put your dog on a higher ground, like a table. Naturally, they're afraid of heights, so there's a pretty good chance that he is not running away while you're taking the picture. But please make sure that it's not too high and always have a person beside you who will look out for your little model. Especially when you're shooting like a little chihuahua, you might not want to put him, on a high table. Then, of course, there are always treats. Dogs love treats. Well, mine does, at least. Make sure he gets his reward after being a good boy and sits still for a minute. But don't overdo it. Pets get tired pretty soon. I recommend taking a break after like 10 to 15 minutes and play with him a little bit. Then there are balls or whatever toy your pet loves. They work best for drawing his attention towards the toy. So if you put it beside or right above the camera, there's a pretty good chance that he will look at it. You could think about integrating the toy into your picture, which will help keeping his attention on it while you are doing your thing. You could also put him in a basket, which looks especially cute on puppies. Remember to put a blanket or pillow in the basket so he'll be comfy. When you happen to have a bigger dog like Great Dane, it still might look, well, at least funny. Which could also be like a desired impression in your photo. Finally, there are creative solutions like you can see in these pictures. Find something that your dog or cat finds interesting, like soap bubbles, for instance. In the end, you know your pet best and you will know what is most interesting to him.